Hey guys, Joshy via CD here. Today, me and my dad are going to Donington Park because we've got another race day. Just like the one back at Thruston where Bob died. After that, we didn't think he died, but then he quite literally did. So Steve and John now have a new car. They have a Clio, same gen as Barry. Just did that. Same gen as Barry, but it's obviously a bit sportier than my car. But yeah, so they got a new car, so I'm kind of eager to see what they've done with it at the moment. Obviously they've stripped it out and like gutted it and everything, racing seats. I'm rather eager to see what's happened and what's going on with that car. But yeah, today we off to Donington. I've still got to get a few things ready. I've packed all my chargers, got my camera, got my portable charger, got my speaker, got a load of chargers. Blah blah blah. I'm going to stick it all in my bag. I don't know if I'm going to need to take a tripod or not. I might not. I don't know where my dad is, but the dogs aren't here, so I'm presuming he's taking them out for a walk just before we go. But we're going to be heading down there in the van because that's company fuel. We'd have to pay for that. Whereas I'm not going to be driving down there because, firstly, I don't really want to drive that far yet because I've still not passed my test. If some of you don't know, still not passed my test. Plus, it's a motorway, and learner drivers can't go on motorways; they're not allowed. So yeah, we're gonna be heading down to the van, jam to some tunes along the way. Apparently, it's gonna take about an hour and a half to get there, so I'm gonna need to bring my extra one of these for my camera. And yeah, we're going to be heading off soon. I'm going to make some coffees and then we're going to get going. Right then guys, we have arrived at Donington. It's already been a hectic day. The weather's been on its period, like it's raining outside, banter. Yeah, the weather's been on its period for the past, I don't know, 3-4 hours. We've been here for quite a while. Like I say, it's been hectic because we're doing 2 races today. Because one is the usual one we do, the tin tops one. He's got a new car, as you'll see, you've already seen. Yeah, we're doing 2 races. We've already been to 2 quali sessions. So it's been to a quali session. And then, literally, we got here, they had to go through scrutineering. They came back, about 10 minutes later, had to go to the first quali session. Got back, had to change the tyres because it started raining. Then go back, do another quali session for the other race they're doing, which is like New Millennials or something like that. And then we had to come back, and then we just finished that session now. So we've been here for quite a while. I think in a minute we're gonna go get some lunch. But yeah, it's been a pretty mad day so far. So looks pretty legit. But there's this, I think just over there, I don't know if you can see it through that window, there's like an orange and grey Mini. It's I mean, I know like some Cooper S's are supercharged stock, but the supercharger on that Cooper S is so distinctive. Like at high revs it whines like mad and it sounds amazing. But yeah, we just got a load of stuff to do. We've got tyre pressures, we just got to hope for the best. the weather clears up, to be honest, because we can get the better tyres on. But just now, he's been posted, the best time he did in this quality session was a 1:29, because the quality session we just did was good. Like, that was nice and dry. It dried out, and we still had the wets on, so the tyres got really hot and started skidding everywhere for John's go, because Steve went in first, set the fastest lap that we did, which was 1:29.9. And then came back, and then John did his, and then like he had a bit of a gravel incident where he like went around a corner and thought, toss it, I'm just going to gas it all the way around, and it started jumping and skipping, and then ended up going off the track and came back onto the track sideways. And yeah, I mean, it's been pretty hectic so far. I've nearly had a few incidents, but you know, it's fine, it's fine, it's fine. Everything's fine. But yeah, we're gonna go get some lunch, and then we got the race. So yeah, I think I might go give you a good walk around of Steve's car. So yeah, let's go do that. Right, this is their car. They've not named this one yet. Still number 140. Oh. Like I'm saying, still number 147. Still a Clio, but it's a new Clio, and this particular Clio is a 182 trophy. Fuck off. This is my dream car at the moment, a 182 trophy. So I'm quite jealous. Off he goes. Off he goes. Go on. Do you want to be seen from space, Dad?
Yes, definitely want to be seen from space. Like the Great Wall of China.
We're not losing Dad.
So is that the Great Wall of China down there? Oh, fuck me, no, it's too expensive.
It's not. It's not the Great Wall of China, Dad. No. You're not quite that big.
That's alright.
Not far off.
Oh.
Headed to the pits. Got my pit board. We're going to go racing. I think is it the Jags that are out there at the moment?
Yes.
Or the old ones?
Jags and GTs.
Jags and GTs. Is that like the Porsches? Oh, is that the one with the Aston Martin in it?
It might be, yeah, it will be, yeah.
Oh, that Aston Martin is quick. Oh, Alistair McGregor. Head for a pit garage. I'm going to go onto the pit wall. I'm not allowed to record on the pit wall, but I'll probably record a little bit anyway, because I'm naughty. There's another supercharged thing. There's another supercharged thing. Yeah, I heard it. Onto the pit wall. What? Here comes the rain. Just put the dry tyres on. Everyone's going to mistake you for a marshal. So you could go around telling people off.
Wrong colour. Piss off.
It's there. Right, so it's literally just started pissing it down with rain. The clouds outside are horrible. You probably can't see the rain because it's on the camera, but it's literally just started absolutely pissing it down. So, Steve or John might die. Okay, that's probably a bit far. Steve or John are probably might skid off a few times because we literally just put the dry tyres on. We had the wets on this morning for the first quali, then for the second quali we had them on again, but the second quali all dried up, so the track was really dry and the tyres got really hot and it started skidding everywhere. So I thought, you know what, we'll put the dryers on for this lap, well, for this race, and it looked as if, it did look as if it was going to be all dry and nice and it would clear up. But literally all these dark grey clouds literally just came out of nowhere. So, yeah, it's not looking good, ladies and gentlemen, not looking good. Someone skidded off. Hey ho. We're just going to have to hope for the best, I guess. Unfortunately, we're not allowed in the pit wall, so, you know, that sucks. But yeah, we're just going to have to hope for the best. I'll film the start, you'll hear it all, but then I'll have to put the phone away when we go over there. Blue sky. Right, so this race before us is going to finish in about 30 seconds. So, we're going to have to get ready to get over on the pit wall when the race starts.
Come on, sky, sunshine, let's go. Come on out. Chip point.
The usual conversation is, what fucking song are you dancing to?
Because it's not this
It's
one.
not playing.
It's one in my head.
Yeah.
Oh God, John's up throwing some shapes. Time to lose it.
Dan's taking him home. He clearly had too much to drink.
Someone
Or whatever it's
span
called.
out on the formation.
Formation.
Like he said, it was the Aston Martin chap.
Yeah,
He
the
did
guy
as
in the
well. I'm
Aston.
sure he said
The
Aston
guy in the Aston Martin decided, I don't know, I might go around this a little bit fast. Oh.
Would have been a little bit overzealous with his warm-up motion, wouldn't he?
Just going.
Oh, maybe.
Oh, at least we know we won't be last. There's already someone not made it.
Oh, yeah. Yay!
Can't be last.
So, well, we beat Aston Martin.
We beat an Aston
Yeah.
Martin.
I don't know.
About?
Normally you get a siren for a car coming into the pits, but
What was that all about? That was a bit rude.
4:30.
Isn't it 20 to 5?
No, 4:30.
42.
No, isn't it 20 to 5 it's supposed to be starting?
Yeah.
15 minutes. Oh, God.
We're going. Like, what was that, a 20-minute wait?
Oh,
At least 20 minutes. We're waiting because two people crashed out on our formation lap. Facepalm. We've got cars left, right and centre. Just going and going and going. Did pretty well, so yeah. There he is. Here's a supercharged Mini. There we go. Something blew up. Smart enough to get rude. Right, I suppose I should explain what's just happened. Something's happened with the oil. So, whatever they're deciding to call this car, he's like, he or she, maybe? He?
Bob 2, I think.
Bob 2. Really?
Yeah.
Really?
Imaginative. Maybe Bobby.
Bobby, oh my god, that's just so creative.
Maybe William.
William. I like that. But it should begin with a B.
Billiam.
Billion. Sorted. Yeah, what has just happened is...
Some correct.
Is that what they said?
Yeah.
Sump's cracked?
Sump's cracked.
Alright, so the sump cracked and oil went everywhere.
That's because somebody ran over the curb.
Yeah, because somebody... Not naming
racing driver.
somebody, not naming any names, John, ran over a curb and cracked the sump. So yeah, oil went everywhere. Like steam, like oil smoke was coming out the back of the car.
And the front.
And the front, yeah.
The middle.
And yeah, basically the smoke was like bellowing out of the car, just everywhere, and it was leaving an oil trail on the floor. So he managed to get it off the track, and then he had to stay there for half an hour. So we thought it was going to be really bad, but a cracked sump, that's not too much of a big deal, is it?
If he's not lost too much oil before he stopped, no, it's just a new sump.
All right, okay. So if we just need to hope that he didn't lose too much oil before he stopped and turned the engine off. So yeah, we can just hope that there was still quite a bit of oil left before, like, when he stopped, and then we might just need a new sump, and that's it. Otherwise, it could be quite expensive.
Be a new engine rebuild.
Oh.
Which is new crank, new piston,
Oh.
new rings, new throw away and start again.
Basically, just get a new engine.
Yep. But hopefully it won't be that bad.
Okay.
We'll find out when we put a new sump on a fire rail.
Yeah. Yeah, we're on the way back now after a long day. It's been a good day overall. We've done 4 races, so
Some wet, some dry.
yeah. Some wet, some dry. It was good all round. Like the tin tops was the dry one, wasn't it?
Yep.
Tin tops were dry. New Millennials were wet.
Yeah,
New Millennium race was wet. Wet.
Quali was wet, race was wet.
Quali was wet. Yeah. So we're on the way home. Maybe stopping for food on the way home, or we may just get some when we get home. But who knows? But I'm going to end this vlog here. Hope you've enjoyed it, ladies and gentlemen. Don't forget to drop a like, really helps me out. Subscribe, comment if you really want. Yeah, subscribe if you're new. Peace.